How to turn on and off messages notification on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like if this video helps. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. First you open the Pinterest app. Once you open the Pinterest app, a screen will load and on the bottom right you'll find a profile icon. You click on that and on the top right you'll find these three lines. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have to choose settings and here you'll find an option of notification. Then you have to scroll down and here you'll find an option of social. You have to click on all the options here and make sure it's turned on. And even on the top comment section, if you want notifications for comments, reactions and everything, you can click on it and enable it. So this is how you can turn on, and if you want to turn it off, you have to click on all the same things and individually turn it off. So this is how you can turn off the message notification on Pinterest. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.